Hello, welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to begin from where we stopped. Continue from where we stopped, sorry. Now, remember when I said that we're going to make the score and the obstacle. Now, and the game of but okay, let's start now. So let's make our score first. Now, you go to variables. Now, I go to variable. A variable is a data storing information in Scratch for games. So now the default variable is my variable. So you have to delete it. So we have to delete it. Delete my variable. Say delete. Now you have to delete it. Now you go to new variable name. Now you write the name of your variable. So it's score. So it's for all sprites, but not for this sprite only. The reason why we say it's for all sprites is because if you do for this sprite only, you will not be able to do anything. Well, there's another way of doing it. That's if you use a broadcast message to do it. But for all sprites, it will make it easier to do it for all sprites. So let's continue. Press OK. Okay. Then score. So now let's make our obstacle. Now you go to choose a sprite. Click on this. You will see all the sprites you can use for obstacles. Now, you see all this. I showed you in the last tutorial all of this, but there are more too. You'll let this load. But what I'm going to use is a ball. And also, in the last tutorial, I forgot to mention one thing. This. You might be wondering what is this. I know some of you will be wondering what this is called an extension. It will show you all the things you need to make, like you can make a video sensing, you can use it and make music, you can use it and draw with your sprites. You can use your sprites and draw like a pencil. So you place this your ball here. So you see this ball here. Now we're going to set it. So we go to this. We go to this place. So once now forever, we go to forever now. Now we need to go to this position. Then we glide to that position. So it will go to that position there. So then let's see how it turns out. Now you see that it's rolling. It's rolling. Now let's jump. Oh, it's because something is just lagging in my own in the laptop. Oh, I think I know why. It's because of the position we put it the last time. So let's put it here. Now let's go back to our scratch card. Because it can't be going below down, like Scratch made its own gravity, like it will just be. So let's go back. Sorry for the mistake. So let's us see. What's going on? Now let's put the ball somewhere else. Now we'll also change this too. Let's remove this and this. Now we put back our new blocks. Then let's see. Something is just going on. Everything is just lagging. I think this kind of thing is not good for. Everything is just lagging. I don't know. Maybe it's my recording. Everything just keeps lagging and lagging and lagging. Okay, now it's everything is okay. Okay, there was no mistake. Sorry, folks. I didn't mean to do it. I think you should just act a little bit better. Now, what is now to make the score now to see if you are actually dodging it. So, if the ball, well, which position is it now? Let me see. It's touching the edge, so you just need to move it a bit here. So when we want to touch the edge, it will just change the score. So now sorry, I just realized that now. I know if you guys are a bit angry for the mistakes I may be doing, but it's worth it. Because in coding, there might be some bugs that you need to fix. Now, once it touches, let's say if touching edge now for the ball, so it will touch. Once it touches the edge, it will increase the score. But to make sure the score doesn't, let's just put this here for instance. Now let me just put this. So just put the if, then the touching the edge, not mouse pointer, the edge. So we put this under. But there's one thing we need to keep in mind when we're coding. You see that this is changing by 1. But once we stop the project or we start again, it's not only supposed to change by 0 in a real game. But it's because we did not put this set score to 0 when the flag is clicked. So without it, it will settle back to 0. Now we press the flag, is in 0. See? 5. Now we need to make our game over screen. So the tutorial might soon, I will soon stop this tutorial very soon. So we need to go to stage. Now we go to backdrops. But in the code, but what those things that are there, those things that are here, those are called blocks. I forgot to explain in the other video. I realized it. These are called blocks, but in the stage, so there will not be any motion blocks. The looks will not be complete. So, because backdrop doesn't move. So we just need to make our game over. You can change it to any color you want. So you must game over. Now, still typing. Sorry for the. Sorry, the text it's saying game over. Game over. So game over. Now we need it to. We need to go to code. Now we go to when flag clicked. The same thing. Now to always switch the backdrop to the normal main one. This switch backdrop to blue sky too. What it does is to change to other backdrop, but we want to make it in the normal backdrop, which is the normal blue sky, since we duplicated it. So we go to the boss sprite. I think so. Yes, the boss sprite. We go to if, but let's instead of just doing, let's copy this if here, duplicate. Now use sprite 1, which is the cat. Move this change score. We now broadcast our game over. Broadcast it will send a message to the others, to all of the things you are using here. To the sprite, it will send a message here. It will send a message to the stage too. So let's call it game over. Sorry. So when I receive the message game over, you can see that it received the message. So when I receive the message game over, to switch the backdrop to the next backdrop, which is the game over screen. So now stop the whole thing. And also sorry, something is getting wrong. Just stop all. This thing is annoying. Just for me to drag out a simple block. Because stop all. Okay. Now, once it stops, now when I receive also, when this one also receives the game over, it will hide it. The cat will disappear. It will hide. Now we want it to show when this flag is clicked too. So we'll avoid certain mistakes. Show. Let's just bring our code a bit here so don't accidentally delete everything. Now we copy this. Do you know that you can bring this block inside this block without going to the other side? So you see this, you can also bring it to the backdrop too, but you have to place it in once that thing shakes, and you will see it inside the ball. Ta-da! Now just need to go up. Now bring a show. So let's go. Let's see. Game over. Now they're gone. Now once we click the flag, now they're here. Game over again. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you in the next class.